If you do water minimization, our freshwater usage is reduced, our wastewater generations is reduced, we reduce costs because you need less money to treat wastewater, you need less money to buy freshwater, chemicals, and sometimes the production can go higher because the product that you make is more efficient. And those are all the driving force, I would say, why we do water minimization. My research activity is water minimization and CO2 reduction. When we say water minimization, we intended to minimize the use of water consumption in a process plant. So there are many processes that consume large amounts of water. For instance, petrochemicals, pulp and paper, food and beverage, textile industry, all these manufacturing industry where we are enjoying the final products consume a lot of water. So if we can minimize water, we make the process cleaner, we make more available water for the community for usage. Clean available water is one of the Sustainable Development Goal, SDG, launched by the United Nations in 2015. Why United Nations launched the SDG, okay, Sustainable Development Goals, is because the whole global world understands that sustainability is something must be carried out. At the moment, because we are trying to look at how to reduce waste, how to reduce CO2, how to make better use of resources. I developed algorithm where the users, okay, in this case would be the process engineers, the factory people will be able to identify options to be used in order to reduce water consumption in the plant. So a lot of the time this comes with the recovery scheme such as reuse, recycle, regeneration reuse or regeneration recycling. Adopting this recovery scheme allows us to minimize the fresh water intake, at the same time reduce the wastewater generation from a process plant. If every single factory will carry out water recycling, you can easily cut down the generation of wastewater by 30–40%. The same thing with freshwater. If we cut down the freshwater consumption, that also means that we need to pump less freshwater. Pumping less means save energy. Saving energy means we will reduce CO2. So nowadays we are trying to reduce carbon dioxide emission. So if I can pump less, I will reduce CO2 directly. At the moment, not many people knows it. Only a small portion of people knows that this technology is there to help addressing water issue in the process plant. Certainly hope that more people understand that water minimization can be carried out in a systematic way so that water resources can be conserved, then make the processes to be more sustainable. Definitely we'll have a much cleaner environment.